Hey yo guys, in this video I will show you how to switch your TikTok profile to Pro account, which way you can earn money from TikTok. So here's my TikTok settings. Here you have to choose Manage Account, and here is the option Upgrade Pro account. Choose this one. Yeah, internet. Okay, now you can choose between creator or business. If you have a business and this is your business profile, you can choose business and creator. If you post your own personal content, I will choose creator. What category am I? Other, maybe. Next. Mail, done. And that's it. Now you can see your analytics and everything. This is very good if you can switch to Pro account, because the TikTok monetization is out now in the USA, in the UK, in Germany, and I think in France, and soon it will go out to, I think, almost every country where TikTok is available, and then you can monetize your videos. Right now, the average monetization CPM is $0.2 per 1,000 views, but I think it will grow if TikTok can bring in more advertisers. That's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and check out this playlist for more TikTok videos.